We're at ISE 2026, right before the opening. You can see the first people trickling in behind me. The energy is up already, and visually it's as stunning as you would expect from previous shows. I have LG right behind me. LG once again has one of the most impressive centerpieces at their booth. They have a 2-layered LED installation this year with a kinetic and transparent element in the middle. They combine it with forced perspective 3D content, and 3D we can already see is a common thread throughout this show. Samsung heavily focuses on their spatial signage displays, which have a holographic feeling to them. Samsung, a little bit disappointingly, doesn't have a big centerpiece like they had in previous years with the wall, but they do have transparent LED, which look nice on the outside of their booth. But one of the other visually really stunning booths is Lang LG, like in the previous years. They're gathering here right in front of this curved LED wall. And so LED is once again the star of the show, but inside the booths we are of course seeing a lot of LCD technologies, because LCD is still the cash cow of this industry, and we're expecting to see a lot of advancements on the AI front. So Philips, for example, introduces an AI-ready LCD line, so they ramped up the processing power of the devices, making them ready for edge AI applications, and we're also expecting to see advancement on the sustainability front as well.